Oh, it was a beautiful bit of line and length, and there's that extra bounce from the big guy. But it can't be taken here. Possibly least. On again, up and over. Oh, wonderful strike here from Mohamed Hafiz. 2-2. Yep. He didn't get a wicket the other day. He's too short again with his first one. Here's 4 more. Was these. Oh. Goes all the way. Who's worried about the boundary? Course, 2 overs done. This is we've had 3, so we're in the 4th. So look at that. Look at that timing. And Fletcher, well, he's not the slowest.
Bit while the ball's nice and dry.
Oh, dear me, what about that? A little dill scoop. Away to the boundary for 4.
Every colour under the sun.
This one, has he got enough of it? No, he hasn't. Taken, no, put down, goodness me. Called it earlier, saying, and he's spilt it. Another op. This one hasn't been timed either. Oh, dear me. No, he's charged in. Charged in out on the boundary. Has he got that one? Has he got that? He has, finally. Got one close to the middle. Brings up a 6 at the end of the 7th. It is
clear that front leg, and this one smashed down the ground. This is beautifully played. You saw the batsman give himself a slight bit of room, Mohamed Hafiz.
But this is the over they have to take advantage of. He comes down the wicket. He'll pick up another 4 here. Can't get around the skipper, Andre Fletcher. So back to back. This time leg side, plenty of it. Into the wind or not. That has gone all the way. So Hafiz is making the most of this. Praveen Tumbe. Goodness me. And that's swung away into the breeze. Chance. So spilt over the boundary. K Summit again, I think it is, out there. Having a tough time of it.
Well, this was a brilliant, brilliant effort down at the deep mid-wicket fence. He's already charged it and let one go over his head. He's trying to make amends for his team. Look at this. Look at the commitment. Flying along, full-length dive, straight through the hands.
He's grabbed a handful of fresh air.
Yeah, well, I think you're being a bit harsh on him, Dooley.
9. Slower ball, swung, backward a square. Way to the boundary for 4 more. Hafiz picks up a half century, moves to 53. That's a very good innings off just 26 deliveries.
Well played, Mohamed Hafiz, the professor. Promoted to open today. Found his right position in the order. Here we go, it's a slower ball, just helped it round the corner. Helped it beautifully. Dream 11 game changer of the match. Mohamed Hafiz.
This time again, 6 more. Wonderful shot. A long way back. Hafiz really doing some damage.
Batsman.
This one's gone straight up and over the keeper. Should just be a couple. Irfan does well, the big man. A long way down from up there, but he manages to save the boundary, restricted to just 2. The Arabians haven't lost the wicket in their 10 overs, and they've posted 103. Hafiz 61, Shakur 34.
Yeah, well finished off in the end. Last 4 overs, and for 11, 21, 20, and then just 6 off the last over. So it ebbed and flowed, that innings. Will it be enough? We'll have to wait and see. We're going to have a My Dubai water innings break as the Arabians make 103 from their 10 overs.
Gradia. Again, bumps one in early, and of course Johnson Charles not going to die wondering. That's probably on the charge. Sounded gorgeous, and is. First one fatted from Fletcher. And in front of and straighter. So just moved him from there. Yeah, not the execution there, Mr. Cumming. Well, got this one. And some. There's a maximum from JC.
Chopped away for 4, it's excellent. Well, he's got everything, Johnson Charles. He's got the power when he wants it. He's got a little bit of touch too.
And disappearing big time. Delightful from Johnson Charles. Yes! Big celebrations here, a little outside edge. Gets his man. It's the end of Johnson Charles.
First wicket of the game in the 13th. Again, it's there to hit. Slower ball, good, clever. Little feather, trying to just carve it over the offside. Easy catch. It's a big wicket.
You know, you came in as a like-for-like replacement for Isur Udana, a bit of an icon player. Was there some pressure on your shoulders?
Yeah, I guess coming in as a replacement for such a player was, yeah, I guess big shoes to fill, but an exciting shoe to fill as well.
I mean, you're clearly loving this format. You were the leading wicket taker at the Abu Dhabi T10 last year. What worked for you?
I think just sticking to basics. So you have to make an impact and make sure that you deliver your skills.
There's tons riding on it. Cheers, George Gardner.
No worries.
Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Back up to you guys.
Well, he's got a bit of a limp on here. Full toss on a silver salver. It's gone all the way up the bank here. 6 more to Spicy. And he's done his hammy, and he's done another one here. Can't move. That hammy is getting worse, but I tell you what, the striking's not. The full tosses have been served up here by the Arabians, and it's costing them dearly.
Well, this is...
Oh, what about this one? What about this one? Surely this time. Oh, God, he made a meal of it, but he's taken it, Hafiz. It was swirling around in the wind, but eventually it stuck in the hands.
I think the blessing in disguise for the Marhata Aradians is that Mohammad Hafiz, he wasn't looking into the sun for starters, and he didn't have to travel too far. Andre Fletcher trying to put that over long on. Yeah, just got away from him there, but in the end had the presence of mind.
Just started to get away from me. Oh, what about that? That hasn't got away from anyone. Straight out of the middle of the bat. Brilliant. First. Swung away, leg side, long enough. Yes, it is, just over the head of the man at deep mid-wicket. Back by one tidy over to start with, and this time it's pulled away behind square. A wonderful shot again from Chirag Suri. Back. Finally, we've settled on being back. What about that? That is clipped magnificently away behind square on the leg side. Full toss, yes, but wonderful time. Straight up this time. Who wants it? Long off coming in, takes the catch. In the end, Shoaib Malik on this occasion underneath the high ball, and that'll be another wicket, but it might be just a little bit too late.
Yeah, you can understand the reason why Hussain goes, I'm just going to keep going. Partnership was already 28 off 11. They only need a handful of runs. Why?
This one should be taken as well, is it? Oh, it's going long enough. Downwind, and Chirag Suri has picked up another 6.
There.
Oh, is that 6 more? I think it might. Oh no, just short. Just pulled up a little bit. Now they're going to be run out, surely. Keeper spilled it, but he's still done enough. That is a real mix-up. I don't know what was going on there with the new batsman, Moores. He stood there and then decided to come late. Surely this is out.
Yeah, a bit of a fumble there by Abdul Shakur. The batter is not even in vision, really. Sometimes wonder why we go upstairs for those type of decisions, but it's better to use the technology. Confirmation utilizes many boundaries early on.
Nicely played. Speaking of boundaries, that'll be enough. That'll be it. bring about the win for the Bangla Tigers, winning by 6 wickets, bouncing back from that loss in their first.
Shot. He is very, very impressive on that pick-up pull shot. Is the best way I can describe it.
Yeah, looks like 6 to me, all right. Just effortless.
Exactly that. He makes it look so easy. He hasn't missed out on any of those shots all day.
Another swipe of that one beats the fielder 4 more.
And that's exactly what the batsman wants. He picks up length so well. Chase adjusts, over pitches and bang. Puts it away wide of mid-on.
Yeah, still raced away. Probably didn't catch it absolutely on the middle. That's 10 off 2 balls, 11 off the first 3 balls of the over.
Puts a lot of pressure back on the bowler, Sharjeel. Back of a length ball, he picks it up for 6. The bowler adjusts, pitches it up a bit more, and he whacks it down the ground for 4. Where does Mr. Chase go now?
Oh, he goes big. That's into the crowd. Massive hit by Sharjeel Khan.
That was all timing. Doesn't overhit it, allows the ball to come to him, and just a flick of the wrist. And off it goes.
All the Pakistan flags in the crowd are waving now. Sharjeel Khan really enjoying it out there. The sun. Short, pulled away again. Too high for the fielder. Safely carries the advertising hoarding. Another 6 for Sharjeel Khan.
First we saw timing and now we saw power. Great timing off his legs, and now